Namaskar, respected viewers. This is Abu Hanifa. Welcomes you to Chandshah Coaching Centre. I would like to thank you people from the bottom of my heart for supporting us by sharing our videos. I would like to thank all who have been supporting us, liking our videos, and one who makes a positive comment on it, and he who likes our page. That is to say, all our commentators, all our likers, all our sharers are thankfully thanked by us. And students, I think that day I have completed 2 sums, and remaining 4 other sums would have been completed by you, as these were not very tough. And today I will complete 2 more sums from question number 1. I think this will be a little bit tough for you. These sums will be complicated for you. That is way I have been doing this sum. Okay. First of all, 1 7 of 1 x plus 2 whole cube is equal to twice x into x squared minus 1. So how will you solve it? Do you remember an identity? The identity was a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus thrice a square v plus thrice a v square plus b cube. In this way, you have to relate this x plus 2 whole cube with this identity. So if you relate this, so how will you find x cube? In place of a there is x. So whenever you have written a cube, so in this case we will write x cube. X cube plus again thrice a square. It means so 3 into a. A means x and into b. B means a square. It means x square into b. B in place of b, there is 2. That is 2 is equal plus again thrice a b square. 3 into a is x into v square. That is 2 square plus b cube. B cube, it means 2 cube. Again is equal to twice x would be multiplied with x square minus 1. So 2 into 1, 2 x square is x cube, again plus and minus 2 1 2 x is there. Okay. Now or x cube 3 2 6 x square plus 6 x square plus 2 2 4 4 3 12 x plus 2 cube implies 8. Okay. Is equal to twice x cube minus twice x. Now bring this terms here inside. You bring twice x cube here in this side, then it will be replaced by minus. So minus twice x cube, then plus 6x square is there, plus 12x plus twice x. It means minus twice x has to be brought in this side, and then it will be replaced by plus. So plus twice x plus 8 is there here in this side. 8 equals to 0. So then, so 1x cube is there in your hand, and suppose twice x cube is to be given to someone. Okay, now what will remain? So only minus x cube will remain plus 6x square. 6x square will remain here. It will not be cancelled by any other term as it's the single one. Okay, now 12x and twice x, these two terms will be added together, and then it will be 14x plus 8 equals 0. Or, so now here in the first term it is in negative, so whenever we will make it positive, then in the entire equation we have to add one another, sorry, we have to multiply one another, so minus sign. Okay, now if we multiply minus here in this side, so it will be minus x plus 6x square plus 14x plus 8 equals 0. And multiplying this minus with all other terms, we get minus and minus, it will be plus x cube plus, minus and plus, it will be minus 6x square minus and plus, it will be minus 14x minus and plus, it will be minus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, then, or what could you see here in this equation? You show that x cube minus 6x square minus 14x minus 8 equals to 0, and it is not quadratic because the degree here in this equation is cube. It should be 2 only, not any other degree rather than 2. If we want a quadratic equation, then the degree has to be only 2, not more than 2 or not other than 2. Okay, now what could you see? Since it is not of the form x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, hence it is not a quadratic equation. Okay, now let us get started the next one. X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole cube. So like the earlier one, what could you see? You could see x minus 2 whole cube. There was an identity and it was a minus b whole cube. If it is there, then how can you write? So this identity can be written as a cube minus thrice a square b plus thrice a b square minus b cube. So it will be applied here in this sum equals or x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1. So in place of a there is x. It is to write as a cube. So x cube minus thrice s square, x square into 2 thrice s square. S square means x square. In place of a there is x square minus into b. In place of b, what it is there? 2. So into 2 again plus thrice ab square. A means x into b square. So b it is 2 square plus minus b cube. B cube means in place of b there is 2 cube. Okay. Or x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to x cube and multiplying minus thrice x square with 2, what we get? We get minus 6x square again 2 square. 2 square means 4. 4 will be multiplied with thrice x, and after multiplying we get plus 12. 3 4 ja 12. 12x then 2 cube. It means 8 minus 2 cube. It means minus 8. Now transfer all these terms here in this side. X cube 4x square minus x plus 1. Transferring all these terms here in this side, what we get? The symbols will be changed. Okay, here it is carrying my plus. Okay, now it will be converted into minus. So minus x cube, then this 6x square would be replaced by plus, and then we get plus 6x square. Then this plus 12x would be replaced by minus 12x, and this would be replaced by plus 8 is equal to 0. Or now cancel the like terms. X cube plus x cube and minus x cube, these are cancelled, and now 6x square. 6x square is in positive and 4x square is in negative. So after calculating it, what we get? We get twice x square, and x like terms, one another like terms, minus x and minus 12x. So what we get? Minus 13x minus 13x and plus 1 and plus 8. After calculating or adding these two numbers, what we get? Plus 9. Plus 9 is equal to 0. Now you could see that it's in the form of a b square x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So now we can write, since it is of the form x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, hence the equation is a quadratic equation. Hence the equation is a quadratic equation. Okay, now note it down. Okay students, we will go to the next class, and in that class we will discuss, or we will do some sums form 2, number 2, question number 2. And here in that question it is said that we have to represent some situations in an equation. Okay, now hold it. Okay, thank you.